Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Frosting by Furrows. If you'd like to see how we made this Winnie the Pooh themed piglet cake, continue watching. So in order to get that two-tone white on top and pink at the bottom, we added our vanilla buttercream to the top first, and obviously you have to make sure that you work really fast with this because you don't want the buttercream to start hardening, because then you'll have a hard time with scraping it off and getting it nice and smooth. So here once the pink and the white have been applied, we go ahead and get it nice and smooth. Once that's done, obviously I skipped through a lot of that in this video. We end up we try to get these sharp edges on top, so that's taken care of. And then we added these cute pink drips to our cake to match that bottom pink color, just because Piglet and like everything's pink, so why not? So pink drips that we made using a water ganache recipe actually. So oh look, it's my brother. He has no idea that I'm recording. He's there eating Maltesers that were kept right next to me. And anyways, back to the tutorial. Then we added pearls on top, so just scattered them all over the cake and spread them out on the sides as well. And then tinier white pearls just sprinkled along the same way and strategically placed on the cake to make it look even girlier and even more pretty and cute. So a few more pearls and that should be great. So now this is the fun part, or some may not disagree, but we made two piglets at the same time side by side. So the heads were made and then all the limbs were made, so the arms and the legs, and that's me adding the nose on. And then that's us cutting, or me cutting the ears. So with like a little random cutter that I have. So there's the ears, and I'm just gonna place, and I didn't realize that I was out of the camera shot. And then added a pink little nose on top of that cute button nose. And that's the body of Piglet that I was making, and it has these like striations, these lines on them, so I just used an X-Acto knife to just literally go over the body. Once that's done, we move on to the finer details like the eyes. So again, took like a round piping tip as my cutter for the eyes, and that got stuck in there, so I just needed some help with my X-Acto. So put the eyes on, and once that was done, put the eyebrows on. I actually did a poll on my Instagram to see if people liked it with eyebrows or without, and everyone said with eyebrows, or not everyone, but majority. And then I just added a twinkle in the eyes to make it look friendly using white paint. Okay, so here's how I actually ended up assembling the whole thing on top of the cake. So I skewered the body first. So that's, part of the skewer was in the cake, part of it going through the body, and the remainder was on top to support the head. And then I picked up the head and I placed that on top. So there goes head number one right there. And there goes head number two on the skewer next to that. Once that was taken care of, I put the limbs on, and there's a pearl that was in the way, so I had to rearrange the pearls a little bit because the leg was just sticking up, and put all the legs. Thank God this is facing you now. So then I added the arms, and I had to like apply a little bit of water for the arms to stick on. So there's the arms for that piglet, and piglet number two gets his or her arms. Is Piglet a guy or a girl? Sounds like a guy, so Piglet gets his arms. So the arms go on, and then I add the ears. So I actually toothpicked the ears in because I didn't have too much time for them to dry and then put them on, and also to secure them in place. So there goes ears for Piglet number two. Everything's looking great, and there you have it. We really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!